Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very simple remedy. You guys can see all the item. This is for cold. If you have cold like running nose or flat, or your tummy is big, if you need flat tummy, or if you eat food and it's not digestive, can use those 4 items. 3 items is 4 because lifting is here. This lemon, this ginger and garlic. So you need to slice the ginger and garlic. You slice it in cube. Slice it in cube. So slice it the way you want it. You can cut it. If you like, you blend them together. If you don't want to blend it, you cut it in cube. Then you put it inside your tin cup. You put it inside your tin cup. Then you take 1 bar of lifting and put it. You take 1 bar of lifting and put it. You add hot water. Boil your water. Add hot water. And see. And do the quantity you want. And do the quantity you want. See. After you put it like this, leave it like 5 minutes. You leave it like 5 minutes. Before you squeeze the lemon juice inside, you take the lifting out. After the lifting has stayed in the water, you can see it. You change the water. You now take the lifting out and you squeeze your lemon. You squeeze your lemon juice inside. You can see. You squeeze your lemon juice. If you have honey, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey inside. If you don't have honey, you can add little sugar. Or if you can take it like this, it's good. You can see the sugar. You add it. That's all. Don't add milk. That's all. Then you can take it morning and night. The last thing in the night before go to bed, you can take it. So guys can see as she's taking it. Can take it like this. Then don't take it very hot to burn your mouth. Then you take it, you drink it like this until you finish it. If you have running nose, you see how everything you went away, cough or anything, you see the difference. It's just a simple video that I'm showing you guys. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.